The untable command in Splunk SPL is used to convert pivot tables or wide format tables back into long format event lists. This conversion allows deeper and more granular analysis by transforming columns of aggregated data into individual events. The untable command pivots a wide format table into a long format list of events. It is helpful when working with aggregated data where multiple columns represent values, and you want to return to individual rows for detailed processing and analysis. The basic syntax of the untable command requires 3 arguments. The first is the X field, which corresponds to the original column names in the wide table. The second is the YName field, which becomes the new field name containing those column names. The third is the YData field, which holds the original cell data for each row. For example, after running a search that aggregates counts by status and method using the stats command, you can use untable to transform the resulting wide format table. This turns each status and method combination into separate events, making it easier to filter and analyze data row-wise. When using untable, select the X field as the column holding the original column names, assign the YName field to name the new field for these names in the long format, and use the YData field to capture the cell data from the original table. The untable command is most effective after commands like stats or chart create dynamic columns, and before further filtering or transforming the data on a row level. In summary, the untable command reverses the pivot operation to convert wide format tables into normalized long format event lists. This transformation facilitates detailed analysis in Splunk SPL by preparing aggregated data for filtering, joining, and event-level calculations. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.